Sasha Bolton, and today I'm going to be teaching you safe exit and entering techniques as well as switching positions. I have my assistant here.
Hello everybody, I am Jordan Spink, Sasha's wealthy assistant.
Okay, so we're going to get started right away. We're going to have Jordan getting into the canoe with a safe entering technique, and what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to sit right on the bow deck, so it's stabilized, and hold the gunnels so that the whole boat is stabilized. And so I didn't mention, we're not in the water right now because of the water conditions, so we're just going to imagine that we're in the water right now. So Jordan's going to walk across the boat like so. And you see what Jordan's doing right here is he's staying in the middle and he's using his paddle to stabilize as he goes all the way back.
I'm stable.
Good. Good communication. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm pushing off the boat. So we're going to imagine I'm pushing off the boat right now. And I'm going to also stabilize with my paddle and walk forward. We just pushed off, if you can imagine. And so now I'm in the boat. Awesome. Now we're going to go straight on to switching positions. So, key thing when switching positions is you want to communicate with your partner so that the boat does not tip. And what usually works best is if the bow loosens, kneels down right here, like so.
Are you stable?
I'm stable. And the bow person, stern person, walks nicely over, keeping good communication, making sure we're all stable, and good center of gravity.
Okay, I'm stable.
Yes, you got it. Now that your partner is stable, you can start moving across. Keep your hands on the gunnels. Keeping good center of gravity. And right in place. Now that we have switched positions, we're going to switch again, just to get back in position. So I'll show you again. You're keeping good center of gravity, holding gunnels, and communicating with your partner. I'm stable.
I'm stable.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do exiting techniques, which is almost the same as entering. We're going to imagine that we are beached right now. Jordan's still in the water and I'm up on shore. So I'm just going to hop right out, hold the boat, keep it stable, and again sit on the bow deck and have the boat balance. Yes, I'm stable. And now Jordan's just going to walk across, keeping good balance. Awesome. And then you can pull your boat up and back it. So, that is safe entering, exiting, and switching positions. I am again Sasha Bolton, and this is
Jordan Spink.
And thank you for being with us today. Yeah, awesome.